I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin at resistance. Actually broke out of the resistance and fell back below it. So not amazing for the bulls. There's obviously a lot of support down here in these areas. We're going to zoom in to another chart just to kind of get a better perspective of what Bitcoin could potentially do. This is a cleaned up 4-hour chart. So you had this strong rejection. And so notice that when price action gets rejected, there's different types of rejections, right? So let's say this is the overhead resistance, right? If price action works its way up to a level and gets rejected like this, strong rejection, that's more bearish, right? There's more selling that took place. Sellers are stacked right at this level, okay? So if you get a situation where the price action works its way up here to a level and then gets rejected and then slowly meanders its way lower, not as bearish. Okay, so what happened here is you had the sellers here, right? The sellers were defeated, right? The bears were defeated. The bulls pushed through, but then the bulls couldn't hold that level. So I'm not too excited about this. This is a pretty strong rejection. Then this ascending triangle essentially failed. So could be building some type of rising wedge here, possibly. But most important thing is I'm not super excited about this failed support level. On a 5-minute time frame, this Bitcoin is in a confirmed downtrend right now, right? I mean, obviously, after this high, you had a low, and then this is a lower high. So this made me concerned. And then now, potentially a lower low. So with this next high is a lower high, then essentially Bitcoin slowly moves lower. Now, there's a 68% chance at some point this breaks out to the upside, right? But for the time being, it's just been like this slow crawl to the downside for Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin dominance in just a second to get an idea on what the altcoins are going to do and how they're going to react to this Bitcoin slow downtrend. And again, I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin over the next 24 hours. It's going to set the tone for the week. It's going to set the tone for the altcoins for the week, for Bitcoin as well. So count on that going forward. Sunday nights, Monday mornings, and a lot of times, and this is Eastern time, even Sunday afternoons, like 4 p.m., 6 p.m., we started to see moves out of Bitcoin. So just keep an eye on what Bitcoin is doing. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he keeps telling people that pullbacks are healthy and just try to educate other people. And he's trying to help them, but they just don't understand. Best thing I ever did was join your group. I had 15,000 a few days ago, and now I have over 20,000 in crypto. The setups work exactly. Shout out to Samuel. He said, hey, love your videos. I made $2,000 listening to your advice. Life-changing money. Let's go. This person, I've been posting these Kucoin setups. This person made $6,000 since the 9th. So that's in 6 days, $1,000 a day, right? The group is cheap, pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. I can make sure that you're in the best, most profitable trading setups, period. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. Check out my trading group. These are some of the recent winners. We've had 82% gains out of Forest Plus, ORN 74%. And these are quick gains. 2 hours, 82%. 5 days, 74%. 16 hours, 41% out of Walton Chain. 1 day out of Buy, 54%. 4 days, KAR, 30%. ORAI, 1 day, 34%. This is, some people like quick profits. It's the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. You have to make it count. You want to start hitting those multiples If you're not making a bunch of money in this market, something's wrong. I can help you. The Treasury preps guidance on the infrastructure bill's crypto tax reporting rules. So buckle up. It's about to get sticky. They're preparing this guidance, and essentially this is still waiting on the House as far as passage. But gosh, we just have to wait and see. It's about to be Hoop Jumpers Anonymous. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody in crypto who lives in the United States, because as long as the government gets our money. I mean, the reason why this was in the Treasury, why it was in this infrastructure bill, is because they're going to use an estimated $28 billion in crypto taxes that they get to pay for the infrastructure building. And you know what's interesting is I saw how they're going to work on the infrastructure of broadband, and I'm thinking, right? You know, Elon Musk, he's working on essentially it's internet. He's got all these satellites he's deploying in space, and provides an internet that is basically broadband speeds. Check it out. It's called Starlink, right? And again, it's going to essentially connect the world on a global scale to high-speed data. High-speed, low-latency broadband internet. From speeds from 50 megabit to 150 megabits, which is probably a lot more than most people need. I mean, streaming media, streaming video, no problem. So they're looking, right now this is in beta, but I'm super excited about this. I really think that this is going to change the game as far as cryptocurrency goes, because more people will have access, and it's all about accessibility, right, as far as these cryptocurrencies go. So super excited about Starlink. Zilliqa is coming, they said. An educational teaser. I like education and I like teasers. Enjoy a unique, never-before experience with the heart of decentralized universe on the Zilliqa blockchain. And so they're talking about NFTs, NFT art, NFT community. Zilliqa has NFTs coming. Elon Musk claims Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency when it comes to payments. Entrepreneur Mark Cuban, another billionaire, essentially is promoting Dogecoin as well. And they have a ton of followers, and Dogecoin is going to have some upside, right? We know that. I have a Dogecoin setup, and it's up like 25% in in a pretty short period of time. When Dogecoin pumps, we're going to watch SHIB. I've got setups on both of these posted. Sometimes you get so stuck on, like, I don't like this coin, or I don't like this person, or I don't think this is, a viable option. Like, your biases cost you a ton of money in this market. So I want just to encourage you, like, don't hate it. Don't date it. Just trade it. Get your money. Get your money. Vechain Foundation comes out. They partnered with Simplex. They're going to support VET on their fiat to crypto on-ramp infrastructure platform. This is going to enable users to quickly purchase VET across its partner network. And so Simplex is super excited about this. Users from all over the world can now purchase Vechain with debit and credit cards, Apple Pay, and bank transfers. And it's all about liquidity, right? These coins, to be successful, people have to be able to buy them. You can have the best projects in the world, but if you can't get it, it's not going to go up in price because they don't have access to it. So this is CELR. Remember, CELR likes to move with one, harmony, right? So CELR, they're going to release the C bridge. It's going to become possible to move various layer 2s and sidechains without having to even touch Ethereum. This is going to speed up transfers by a matter of hours or even days, as well as driving down costs. CELR, one to watch. Iris Network comes out, and they've got Emeris Beta launching August the 17th. You guys get your whiteboards, right? Have a trading station set up. Look, this person's got their trading strategy. They've got some notes on patterns. Everything's nice and organized, right? Has this, news written down so they understand. Like, there's so much news that gets covered every day on all the YouTube videos that you watch. Get organized. You will catapult your success exponentially when you start taking notes. Look, notebook, make notes on all this stuff. There's so much to remember. You wake up in the morning, immediately you know what to watch for. What am I checking? What am I looking at, right? I'm telling you guys, get organized. You just don't go to work and just say, I'm going to wing it, right? Everything's planned out. Same thing in crypto. Intel discloses an $800,000 investment in crypto exchange Coinbase. Wow, Intel. This is Coin, the stock, but they filed this report with the SEC. So Intel, $800,000 investment in Coinbase. Excited to be excited. So this is the Aave Foundry saying something. Some of the CEOs, they just kind of tweet these random things, and it alludes to the fact that you're going to see some news coming. So just keep an eye on this. Bounce version 2, Bounce Finance. Bounce version 2 is live. Decentralized OTC, decentralized auction, and a search engine. So keep an eye on Bounce Finance. Bitcoin dominance. Let's talk about this. Still trending lower. So this means money is flowing into the altcoins. So remember, you can have a situation where Bitcoin's trending lower. Holding USDT paired altcoins won't be amazing, right? And again, this is just a 5-minute time frame, but it's still a downtrend. So if you go to Bitcoin dominance, you can see that money is still flowing into the altcoins. What you don't want to see is some type of bounce here, right? And then this move higher. So something like this, right? Or something like this would not be amazing for a lot of the larger and mid cap altcoins. And so, what you don't want to see is a Bitcoin pullback and a bounce here. If Bitcoin bounces, this doesn't necessarily give you direction. It just, you can really time the moves out of Bitcoin based on, this is trend reversing support here. And so could it reverse this trend? Sure. Will we get this kind of like pagoda pattern where it's, or head and shoulders, you could call it, right? Where, you get downside continuation, but you've got an uptrend, which wouldn't necessarily be amazing for a lot of the larger cap altcoins. But we, in the group, we still find the winners. The key is small caps, DeFi, NFTs. Just figure out where the money flow is going. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 7 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box, tell one friend about this channel, trying to grow the channel. $500 free Bitcoin. Let's go. 12,600 people saw this. This is CHR. Gave this to you guys 5 days ago on YouTube. Thanks for 118,000 subscribers. This is CHR, 33%. Boom. Let's go. Ethereum, you got to talk about Ethereum, guys. What we have to consider is you've got this rising channel. it's still an uptrend, right? There's a 68% chance that this does break to the downside. All right, so will we see 2850 Ethereum or 2600 Ethereum? Ethereum's had an amazing run. Will it pull back? We'll see. Right? It's not about predicting. It's if this does pull back, you're looking at these ideas as potential support levels. This would be very healthy, right, for continuation to the upside. All right, so with these patterns, it's simple. You always assume that the price action continues in the pattern until it doesn't, right? And at that point, then you have your measured move, your targets, your support levels. So keep an eye on Ethereum. It is in a rising wedge pattern. ETC, so I gave you guys Ethereum. Now this is a BTC trading pair, so if Bitcoin's trending lower, it's easy for Ethereum Classic to outperform Bitcoin. Okay, breakout level was here. 10,498 people saw this. Here's Ethereum Classic. We're up 8% on this trade now. So if you got a retest, your best entry is going to be this retest to support. Okay, easily this could flip this support level and continue higher. But you have to understand there's always different buying ideas as far as these setups go. This is a better buy than right here, obviously, right? This would be potentially a really good buy as well. Will it happen? We don't know that, right? So potentially you scale in your trades. ALGO looks like ADA before the run up. You got this nice double bottom out of ALGO. Double bottom. Okay, when you get a break of this level, I think you see upside continuation. You could see $1.08, $1.13, $1.25, $1.39 ALGO. And again, this is going to follow Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does something crazy that's bearish, these altcoins won't necessarily play out as well. Altcoin USDT pairs. SHA, gem pick on Kucoin of the day. This thing has a huge rounded bottom, very strong technical pattern. Look at this pump right here. Can we get one of these, please? I would like a pump. Let's just see how many percentage this was. I would like 119% pump in about a day, right? That's what happened here. Okay, so now this is, you know, rounded bottom, double bottom, and then you've got a double bottom here as well. Now you've got a bull pennant, right? So you've got all this momentum spooling up with a rounded bottom, and then add a double bottom, and now it's in price compression, right? We're going to see a move probably today, okay? When this breaks out higher, looking for a breakout to the upside, you've got some solid potential gains to hold this coin for a period of time for some upside. So we just need Bitcoin to cooperate. SHA USDT looks amazing. There comes a point in time where if you, just in any aspect of life, right? We create our own reality. No one else is going to do it for you. If you want different results than you're getting in any aspect of life, you have to think differently. You have to think differently, right? And I'm encouraging you, just think outside the box on everything, right? If you have the same mindset, every single day, and you're not expanding your knowledge base, you're not expanding your skill set, potentially the most important thing, there's a gentleman I follow on YouTube, and it's not crypto related at all, but he really drives the idea that in order to be more successful, you have to listen to people that are extremely successful, right? He says, you know what? Don't ask somebody for financial advice that has less money than you. If your parents don't have as much money as you, why would you listen to their financial advice, right? They may know what society thinks is a good idea, but until someone has, you know, is on a level that's far superior to where you're at, I mean, you're not wanting to listen to a lot of the other people around you, right? You're only as successful as your 5 most successful friends that you surround yourself with, right? And so you want to take knowledge and ideas from those that are very successful, and they have a knowledge base that is tremendously more expansive than yours. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.